Hey traders, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set price alerts and push notifications in MetaTrader 4 and 5 so you can stay on top of the market without being glued to your screen. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why using alerts is super helpful. It allows you to track price movements and get notified when specific events happen on your charts. You can choose to get a sound alert or an email, but the best option is push notifications right on your phone. That way, you won't miss any potential trades. Now let me show you how to set up a basic price alert. First, open your favorite chart. For example, I'm opening the USD chart on the 1-hour time frame. Then press Ctrl+T to open the terminal. Make sure you're on the Alerts tab. To create a new alert, right-click anywhere inside the Alerts tab and select Create. In this pop-up window, first, choose the symbol you want to monitor. You can select any currency, pair, stock, or other instrument available on your Mount 4 or Mount 5. Next, choose the condition for your alert. You can choose from a few options here: bid greater than or equals ask, etc. You can also set custom conditions if you want, but let's keep it simple for now. Just select one of the basic conditions. Then set the value for your alert level. This could be a specific price level, swing low, swing high, or any other value that you want to monitor. Next, choose the source of the alert. Here, you can select an alert sound if you want. Otherwise, leave it blank. Finally, set the timeout for the alert. This is how long the alert will stay active. Once the alert is triggered, it will remain active for the specified period. After that, it will automatically expire. But if you want to close the alert manually, simply right-click on it and select Close. Once you've created your alert, MetaTrader will notify you with a sound and a pop-up window whenever price reaches your specified level. But that's not all. With just a few more clicks, you can receive these alerts on your phone as well. Let me show you how. First, link your phone to MetaTrader. To do this, go to your phone's MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 app, tap on Settings, then find your MetaQuotes ID. This is a unique string of letters and numbers associated with your MetaTrader account. Next, go to your MetaTrader desktop platform. Go to Tools, then Options, then Notifications. Make sure the Enable Push Notifications option is checked. Now paste your MetaQuotes ID into the provided field. Finally, click Test to see if everything is working correctly. If the test message appears on your phone, then you're good to go. From now on, you'll receive push alerts on your phone whenever price reaches your specified level. That was a quick introduction to setting up price alerts and push notifications in MetaTrader, but there's more to explore. You can also trigger alerts from indicators or expert advisors. Some custom indicators have built-in alerts that can notify you when certain conditions are met. For example, a simple moving average crossover indicator can alert you when price crosses above or below a moving average. Similarly, some expert advisors also have built-in alerts. For example, a breakout trading EA might notify you when price breaks through key support or resistance levels. To configure these alerts, simply open the indicator or EA settings and look for the Inputs tab. Here you can enable or disable alerts and customize their settings according to your preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to set up alerts and push notifications in MetaTrader. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and check out our website for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.